Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you are alright. So today I show you how to mine free SHIB coins with Telegram bot. So the Telegram bot link is in the description. You can click and redirect to this Telegram bot. With this Telegram bot, you can daily bonus 200 SHIB coins. Per referral, you can get 2000 SHIB coins. Yeah, this is great. And minimum withdrawal is 5000 SHIB coins. To start this bot, click on the start button and then you wait. Now you see this page. You can join this channel and after that you will redirect to next step. So I joined the first link and I already joined, so you can join and back join the second. I already joined this one also. You can check their YouTube channel as we show you. You can subscribe it. After that you can click on join button. As we click on join button, wait a minute. Let's see what happened. This will give us a captcha. Now you fill the captcha. I can fill this. Now you can see the main menu. Now I will click on the bonus. Let's see what happened next. Yeah, I got 200 SHIB coins every 25 minutes. Now click on the get bonus. Yeah, I already earned 200 SHIB coins within a minute. Now you can click on this bot is lagging due to heavy traffic. Then we click on withdraw button. As this option is working, yeah. Minimum withdrawal is 5000 SHIB coins. You can earn easily within a day, I guess. Now you click on referral. The referral system is very good, where you can 2000 SHIB coins when your friend is join this bot by through a link. You can copy your link and share with your friends. Now how to withdraw? You can easily withdraw these coins in Trust Wallet. If you don't use the Trust Wallet, you can easily search on Play Store or App Store. You can easily find this and you can add token where you can search Shiba Inu coin. Yeah, I think this one. Now you can click on receive. You can receive and after that you can paste your receiving wallet address and get free Shiba coins. So okay guys, I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy it, you can like, comment and share your reviews. I will definitely make more videos if you support me. Thank you guys. Bye bye.